Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to set language translation on TikTok account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. After you open up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the bottom right here. So click on that. You take up to your profile page like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to click on settings and privacy. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and look for language right here. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on translate into. And you can switch to any of the language you really understand right here. And by default, each time you want to translate your TikTok account language, it will translate to the particular language you select from here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to set language translation on TikTok account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.